Let's take a look at this GCSE exam style question on the sine graph. Now guys, this question is only 2 marks. However, these questions are always found towards the back of your exam paper, but they're usually very poorly done. So I've taken the time to do this to help you to get at least another 2 extra marks. Now, what is the key principle on solving questions like these? So let's read the question. Here is a sketch of y equals sine x degrees for values of x greater than or equal to minus 360 and less than or equal to 360 degrees. We are asked to write down the coordinates of P, language here, write down. That means the answer is dead on looking at us. Now, in order to break through this question, we need to first of all understand that the period for the sine graph is 360 degrees. Now, after every 360, the cycle continues again, another 360 and so on. Now, it means then that from the origin to this point I've marked X here is 360. The point P is halfway. Half of 360 is 180. Now, that would be our X coordinate. And we can see we are dead on the Y axis. Therefore, we are at 0 for Y. So it's 180 to 0. Now, for the next part of the question, we're asked to write down the coordinate of Q. Now, important to note here is that the amplitude of the sine graph is 1, which means the maximum value is 1. Now, if that is so, we know for sure that the y coordinate is going to be 1. We just simply need to talk through the x coordinate. Now, if you look at the point P here, this bit where I've put an X is a reflective property of the P. So it's a reflection of P. Therefore, it's also going to be 180. However, it's on the negative side of the Cartesian plane. So minus 180. Q is located halfway. So we need to add another 90 there. So 180 plus 90 is 270, but because this is negative, it's minus 270 for x, where q is amplitude 1, so the y coordinate would be 1. So it's minus 270 and 1. Absolutely brilliant. So you can see it's not a difficult question, but understanding is key. Now guys, for full-length lessons on any other topic, just jump over to the YouTube channel. Remember to like the video. Until the next upload, thank you so much for watching.